Do you know what is NABL? NABL stands for National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration of Laboratories. It is an autonomous body under the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, responsible for accrediting laboratories in India. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to explore an interesting topic called as NABL. In this video, we are going to focus on who required NABL, why we required NABL, what are the different principles of NABL, and what is the benefits of getting NABL accreditation, and how to get the NABL approval. What is the main objective of NABL? To check and confirm the laboratories which are involved in doing testing, calibration and medical diagnostics, whether they have the right technical skills and are following the proper standards or not. Who required NABL certificate? The labs which are involved in chemical testing and the labs which are involved in biological testing, means here the human samples are analyzed, and the labs which are involved in forensic testing for evidence purpose, and the labs which are doing pharmaceutical testing like pharmaceutical products, for example capsules are there, tablets are there, syrups are there. Then the labs which are involved in testing of food products. What are the benefits of NABL accreditation? NABL accredited lab gives trusted results compared to other labs. It also builds a stronger reputation towards that particular lab which is having NABL certificate, and the lab will get global acceptance by getting the NABL certification, and it also boosts the business of the NABL accredited labs. Now, what are the principles of NABL? To provide international recognition, NABL helps for the companies or the laboratories to get international recognition. Then impartiality means the decisions are made or the approval is given without any influence of any person. Then competence, demonstrating technical capability, means we are here they are going to compare the results of one laboratory with the another laboratory. That is what the competence, how much accurate results are obtained or compared with the other laboratories of the same sample. Of course the method may be changed. Then consistency, reproducible and procedures and results. Then transparency, here the documents are properly maintained and the traceable process is there. These are the basic principles of NABL. In this slide, we are going to see a flow chart of NABL accreditation process. The company or the organization which is intended to get the NABL accreditation will submit an application form to NABL department. Then the document is reviewed by the NABL department. Then they go for pre-assessment visit, means they go for a short visit to the spot of that lab and they will observe the everything. Then the next process is final assessment. They go for the final assessment, means in the final assessment they check each and everything which is submitted to the NABL department. Then they go for proficiency testing. So in this type of testing, the results which are obtained from those labs are compared with the results of the other lab, means the same sample using in multiple labs. So the results which is obtained from the lab is compared with the results of the other lab for the same sample. Of course the method may be changed, and they will check the accuracy of that result by comparing with other labs. Then finally in the final step they will provide the accreditation or approval, that is final approval. So this is what the flowchart of NABL accreditation process. In this, here we are going to simplify the concept in a more simple way. First thing is application. So the organization which is required to get NABL accreditation is prepare its application, and it also contains a quality manual. See, in the quality manual, what it contains? Quality manual contains the title and the authorization. The title and the authorization. So what is the scope of this one? So it will describe which type of activity is going to do in that laboratory is mentioned in the quality manual. Then I think that is, for example, which type of testing means they are either they are going for chemical testing, or they are going for pharmaceutical testing, or they are going for biological testing. Chemical testing means they are going to test the chemicals. Biological testing means they are going to test the biological samples, that is human samples or animal samples. Or similarly, in case of pharmaceutical testing, whether they are going to test the formulations like tablets, capsules, anything is there. That is regarding the clear activity is mentioned in the quality manual. After that, it also contains the different or in more details like organizational structure. So the type of staffs working there, and what is the qualification of the staff, and what is the procedure they are going to adopt, and what is the references means what is the different documents like SOPs are there, or what are the different documents are there, what is the procedures they have already framed to follow that one, and what is the qualification of their staffs, and all those things, all the details are mentioned in the quality manual. Then the process is same after submitting the application and quality manual to the that one NABL department. Then this NABL department will go for the review. Will go for the review and check each and every department. Either they are going to meet the standards which are framed by the ISO, then whether they are going to compatible with that. Then they are going to do the pre-assessment. Pre-assessment means a short visit to the spot issues. A short visit is going to conduct there. Then after that one, preferential testing means the sample or the results which are obtained from those laboratories are compared with the results of the other laboratories. So by doing this comparison, they will come to know which one is more accurate and how accuracy they are getting. So all those things are done in preferential testing. Then finally, the final assessment, that is the last step. Here they are going to assess each and every activity and each and every aspect of that organization in a detailed way. Then finally, if they are satisfied, means they will provide approval, the final approval, that is for 2-year accreditation. The company will get the final approval. It is valid for 2 year. That is 2-year accreditation. That is what the step-by-step process of the NABL approval, how they are going to get. Let us understand the whole concept by considering a simple example. Let us assume a pharmacy college conduct a quality control lab test for tablet dissolution apparatus, and it is applied for NABL accreditation. Then they appoint a quality manager. Then drafting a quality manual which is aligned with ISO means in the quality manual each and everything is explained clearly. That is the different staffs who are going to work there, and the different machineries and equipments which are used in that particular lab, and title, that is the main activity of the lab, which is the main, what is the main purpose of that lab. Each and everything regarding that lab is clearly explained in that quality manual. Then calibrate the instruments like HPLC and UV spectrophotometers. Then train the staff for good laboratory practice. Take a part along with other approved laboratories in quality testing. Means in this stage the reports which are obtained is compared with the other laboratory reports for the precision and accuracy. Then finally the lab is approved by NABL.